Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, get the car secure and lifted, then remove the wheel so you can access the suspension. Use a jack and rated stands, this prevents collapse. Once up, visually identify the sway bar, its end links to the control arm, and the bracket bushings that clamp it to the subframe. Begin by spraying penetrating oil on nuts and bolts. This eases removal. Also loosen fasteners one turn to relieve tension before you fully unbolt anything. Safety and access first. Now focus on the mechanical steps. Loosen and remove the end link nuts, holding the stud so the link doesn't spin. Once links are free, unbolt the sway bar brackets that clamp the rubber bushings. Those brackets often seize, so go slowly and reapply penetrating oil. Make sure you support the bar with a floor jack or a helper. Once both brackets are off, the bar will fall if unsupported. As you extract the bushings, note their orientation and wear patterns. This tells you why the bar needed removal. With links and brackets off, slide the sway bar out of its mounts and clear of surrounding components. Pivot it free rather than forcing it, to avoid bending or scraping steering parts. Once removed, inspect bushings, link joints, and the bar for cracks or heavy corrosion. Replace any suspect parts before reinstalling. If a bolt refuses to move, apply heat briefly or use a proper extractor. Once done, make sure replacement fasteners meet the vehicle's torque specs. If the bar binds on reinstallation,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.